So click to start button and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. And type sfc space slash scan now. All command I will give you in description, so you just copy and paste. So this process is 100% like do it's scan your all Windows files who's corrupted, so automatically repair. Starting the percentage. Three more command I have, so I all command given description you just copy and paste. Okay. Now guys, 88%, 99, then 100. Okay. Replace and repair, then online. Then guys, you type dism, this command in description, so use copy and just left click, right click, automatically paste and then enter. Okay. And then guys, dism online cleanup image scan health. Here scan health, scan check health and scan health, then enter. Image version 10.20. So please wait few minutes, now it's working background. Now scanning health is start, so also is starting like percentage, so please wait. And now check health is checking and now is scanning. So finally guys, this 100% scan health. And one more there, restore health, check health, scan health and restore health, and then enter. So this is last command. This is also starting the percentage. So guys, 13% complete. So when finished, I give you second step. So guys, you now second step guys, it is Windows R and dvmgmt.msc. okay. Universal, so universal serial bus control. So now this is uninstall. If you showing 2 to 2 3 4 number of universal root hub, so all uninstall all. Now third step. So guys, click to start button and type CREATE and click to create restore point, system restore, choose difference. So you can 2 to 3 days ago you restore and then restart and then please check. So have finally solved this problem. Have any issue, please comment me, I will suggest you what I do, and that. Okay, bye bye, take care.